Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Ultra Game Mode on the VIVO V70. So Ultra Game Mode optimizes your phone while you're gaming to have the best performance. So for example, when you launch an app, it's going to show you that game acceleration has been activated, which basically means that game mode is on. So we have this little bar on the top right usually, where we can scroll to the right to open it up. And it has different things like battery modes, so like boost, makes the performance better at the cost of battery, balances both the things out, and battery saver loses out on performance, but saves on battery. Then you can also change the refresh rate of our phone here, the brightness, and the Wi-Fi. Then you have the second page, which is game tools. And we also have different fun things like sound effects, motion control. We also have mistouch prevention. We can record the screen at the same time while gaming. And just pretty much what this does is optimizes your phone to have the best gaming experience. Now, if this option isn't available to you when you launch a game, you might need to add that game to the list of Ultra Game Mode supported games. So to do that, we're going to open up Settings. From the main menu, scroll down to Ultra Game Mode, click on Supported Games, and just enable the apps or the games that you want to this Ultra Game Mode to be using. So when it's on, you can test it out, and it should be available to you. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.